Let's install the Oracle VirtualBox guest editions into this new CentOS 7 VM. I've got a tiny resolution right now. I think I can adjust the display, the resolution, devices, displays, and we could bump it up to a higher resolution. Okay, keep changes. The problem is we can't do that dynamically. I can't use my right control to come out of here, out of the VM, and grow it like this. See, there's still kind of this bezel around the outside. It would be nice if the resolution grew. We can do that with guest editions. Right control, devices, insert guest edition CD image. Contains software intended to be automatically started. Would you like to run it? Run. Okay, no errors. Press return to close this window. Let's reboot the machine and see if we get the dynamic resolution. Resize the window, and there it goes. It was stuttering. I think I can fix that. Settings, system, and display. Oh yeah, it has 16 megabytes of video, so we'll just crank that up. We'll give it 128 megabytes. We can give it 4 CPUs. That should make it quite a bit more snappy. Let's go full screen. Maybe it won't do it until after I log in. It's only resizing so far, so that's fine. That's fine. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so that's what guest editions can do. It's one of the things, the resolution, automatic resolution. And I think it does the mouse pointer integration as well, because that started working.